Guys, are you looking for a really nice fifth wheel? This one is a really, really awesome one, okay? This is the 2022 Alliance Paradigm 310 RL. So it's a rear living. Let's take a look at this thing. In the front here, you got a place where your batteries and a generator can go. You also got the big, huge, wide body pass-through storage. Like, look at that space.
Extra bedroom.
There's so much space you can just, do that with. It's really awesome, really amazing. On the outside, you see that we got two different awnings, okay? They both have LED lights. On half of the rig, it's just over the front door, and then the other one is on the slide out here. So while you're hanging out, you can still be under the awning and with the LED lights as well. They got the extended handle here as well as the solid steps. Now the solid steps does have the shock mount here, and with the shock mount, it's really easy and bears all of the weight. So I didn't even push it up there, but look at that. It's just super easy in order for it to go up and go down. Okay, the best steps in the game, and this one's got that shock mount right here. So like I said, it bears all of the weight of the stairs, so you don't have to be super strong in order to hold it. Grandma and the kids can actually put it back up there too. On the side here, it does say that it has Azdel. Azdel, it's a composite panel that essentially keeps your rig from water damage. Now, so a lot of rigs are made with Luan plywood, but this one, it's made with Azdel. With the wood, they saw that it was rotting or causing delamination from water coming into the cracks. Now, Azdel, you don't get that. So when the water comes in, if it ever does come in, then it just drains right back out. It doesn't even cause any delamination or rot, decay, mold, or mildew. So that's a really big benefit to the Alliance Paradigm here. Let's go on inside. Oh, look at that. They even show it's warranted for full-time living. So if that's something that you want to do, hey, you're covered. I really like this one too because it's got the controls right at the very beginning. Up the steps, you got the bathroom. So if you wanted to make a stop, you're not blocked by any slides whatsoever. You can just go straight into the bathroom and use it there. Really nice. So let's go into the living space. Check this out, guys. We got solid surface countertops all throughout this coach. Let's go in the kitchen first, okay? You got the Insignia oven. This is turkey approved, so that's a nice size oven where you can actually cook a turkey in there or any other things. You got the 4 burners instead of the 3, which is really, really awesome. You also got the really big microwave here, okay? Check that out. A lot of space. And then you also have this double door fridge, okay? This is gas and electric. Check this out here. Nice size fridge, so you don't have to worry about purchasing too many groceries. You can actually fit all of it in here. Look, 1, 2, 3, and it goes through. That's a lot of space we got going on in this one. We also got a pantry here as well. Check that out. Really, really nice and really sturdy shelves we got there. Oh, and you even got the accent lighting that just came on here. So you can put your cereal boxes in there, other things that are non-perishable. I like what they did with the design here with the cabinets too. Because sometimes they'll have designs on the outside, but this one's just got the clear glass, right? It's got the clear glass where you can see everything that's in there. So look at this. I mean, even for the tall folks that want to hide the candy all the way up there at the top, you can totally do that too. You can keep it away from me because, yeah, I'm pretty short down here. But anyway, so yeah, you got another space right here too. You can use it as a design space or this counter spot right here too. It's got that electrical plug. And all of these drawers here, guys, they're all soft close hinged. So if you or soft close, that's what I meant. If you just go ahead and close it, it'll always stop you and close really softly, okay? So same thing with this here. We also got this part right here, which is really, really nice. If you can check out the flooring, Gary. This flooring, it's actually flush with the ground here. So you don't have a big lip and possibly falling over or tripping or any sort like that. It's actually just evenly distributed. You also got 2 different dinette chairs here with the table, which is really nice. And it's got the table where it's actually angled and it doesn't have those big legs that are on the side. So you're not going to be playing footsies with the table once you're, you know, dining and hanging out with your family and friends. You got the theater seating here. These are recliners. And then you also got this 3-seater couch as well. This one, the couch does convert into a sleeping space as well. So if you're wanting to host guests or just have a nice space of living, this is the space for you. Okay. You also got the big, huge, smart LED TV, like really, really awesome. You can get Netflix or Hulu on there or any of that sort. You also got some storage here on the top as well. And you even got the radio right here, as well as another electrical outlet and the fireplace. But let me show you something that's really cool about this fireplace. It's not just your average fireplace, right? This one actually opens. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? You can put your DVDs in there. You can put any other things that you want. But look at that. That is a nice space for storage, and you don't usually get that with any other brand in here, okay? That's really, really a nifty thing we got going on. Okay, then you got some drawers and cupboards all over right in here with this space, which is really, really convenient and really nice. Let's go on up to the bedroom here. And it's got, this also has the handle here too. So for the people that have a little tough time walking, you got a handle here. So you're not just walking up the steps by yourself. You got that support that you need. And here is the bedroom. This one's probably one of the most spacious bedrooms that I've seen. Nice king size bed, but it's also a walk around bed, right? And super nice storage on the bottom with a couple more chairs for your dinette on the bottom, and it bears all of the weight on the those springs there, so you don't have to be super strong in order to close it or open it. All throughout Alliance, guys, you can see that over here with the lights, you got a lot of different dimmers here. Okay, so you can set the tone however you want, which is a really, really cool feature that you got in the Alliance. You also got a hidden storage part right here, so if you wanted to, you could put your weapons in here, your arsenal, or you can just put your jewelry in here as well. Really, really convenient space. Got the TV on the top with the windows on the right below it, and you also have just nice sized drawers here. So nice, and you can be at the end of the bed, so you can just pull it out super easy and put your shoes on. I don't feel super crammed in here at all. This is awesome. And if you wanted to and you not be on the bed and do that, they actually put a little space for you to put your shoes on or any other socks or anything like that right here next to it. Got USB ports and electrical outlets on the side too. That's crazy. Check out this closet here. Nice spacious closet. You also got the wardrobe hanger on the top there. It is wired for a washer and dryer. Prepped for a washer and dryer. My words aren't working for me today. But anyways, and they also got the closing doors for this too, as well as on the bedroom. And this one, Alliance also does this too. This has got one AC in the bedroom, but it's also got 2 ACs in the living room. Okay, so it's got 3 different ACs. You'll be definitely cooler in here than any other one. So that's really, really awesome there. Guys, if you really like this rig or want to take a look at it, just comment what are your favorite features about this rig. And feel free to give me a call, okay? My number is 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle. I would love to help you find an RV, and especially this Alliance Paradigm. If you have any more questions, feel free to call me, okay? Thanks. Hope you have a great day, and see you later. Happy RVing.